Meaning of dogfish.
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 Dogfish. The term dogfish can refer to a number of different species of small sharks. These sharks are found in oceans and rivers around the world and are characterized by their small size, spiny fins, and elongated bodies. While dogfish are sometimes used for human consumption, they are more commonly caught for their oil, which is used in cosmetics and as a source of vitamin A. Dogfish are also important to marine ecosystems as a food source for larger predatory fish and as a way of controlling populations of smaller prey species.